Hello guys, welcome to Smart Tech. In today's video I'm going to show you how to delete message invite within the Instagram app, whether you are using Android or iPhone. So when you send someone a message invite and you try to delete it, when you press it and you can see there is no any option to delete over here. So I'm going to show you how to delete this message right now. So the best thing you are going to do, you are going to move out from the Instagram app, then go to your browser. You can either, if you are using the iPhone, you can go to Safari. If you are using Android, you can go to Chrome. When you go to your Chrome, search for instagram.com, then log into your Instagram. When you log into your Instagram, tap on the message icon. You can see the message icon over here at the bottom over here, the fourth option. Tap on it. When you tap on it, it's going to take you to the message or the DM option here. Tap on it, then hold the message, then this option, tap on the last option, then tap on unsend message. When you tap on unsend message, it's going to delete. Then go back to your main Instagram app. When you go back to your main Instagram app, then move back, tap on back, then refresh. When you refresh, then the person's DM is going to disappear. By doing that, you have unsent a message to the person's DM. So guys, this is how to delete a message invite on Instagram. And don't forget, if you found this video very helpful, consider giving me a like and also subscribe to my YouTube channel because it really helped me. Thank you for watching.